Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will describe to 21 questions. In the turn ratio of transformer, the same is the ratio of voltage across the transformer Y or Y not. It is observed that ratio of voltage of transformer are same as ratio of their turns because flux linking both the coils is same, so voltage will be directly proportional to the number of turns. Why the why does the magnetization current impose an upper limit on the voltage applied to the transformer core? The magnetization current, which is the current required to produce the flux in the transformer core. What components compose the excitation current of transformer? How are they modeled in transformer equivalent circuit? Magnetization lag, voltage applied to core by 90-degree, higher frequency component, no load current. What is the leakage flux in a transformer? Why is it is modeled in a transformer as equivalent circuit in inductor? Flux leakage, phi L P and phi Ls in the transformer winding are the leakage flux. Flux produce self inductions in coil. Inductance will must be accounted for coils. List and describe the types of losses across in transformer. Copper losses. I2R copper losses are the resistive heating losses in the primary and secondary winding of transformer. Eddy current losses. Eddy current losses are the resistive current losses in the core of the transformer. Hyperostatic losses are associated with the arrangement of magnetic domain in the core. Why does the power factor of load affect voltage regulation of current? Voltage regulation at a low load is defined by equation VR VSNL VSFL into upon VSF F1 into 100%. Why does the short circuit does essentially show only I2 R losses and not excitation losses in the transformer? And to can calculate R, C and X M first at attemptance of excitation branch core losses registers is given by GS is equal to 1 upon RC, BM equal to 1 upon XM. Why does the open circuit test essentially show only excitation losses and not RP losses? In open winding is circuit open test is secondary circuit primary connected full rated is a like line voltage input current through AC must in excitation transformer be branch flowing of transformer. How does the per unit system of measurement eliminate the problem of different voltage levels in a power system? These are the problems per unit system. How does the per unit system of measurement eliminate the problem of different voltage levels in a power system? Because the voltage of secondary is lower than primary, it is so VR is greater than 0. What are the transformer tapes? Why are they are used? The tapes on the transformer permit the trans transmotors to be adjusted in the field to accommodate variations in local voltage. Why are used? Sometimes transformer is used to power the line whose voltage varies widely with the load. What are the problems associated with the YY three-phase transformer connection? Load on transformer circuit are unbalanced voltage. Phase of it will be unbalanced. Harmonic voltage can be large. What is the TCUL transformer? TCUL transformer is a transformer with the ability to change taps while power is connected to it. How can three-phase transformer be accomplished using only two transformers? What type of connections can be used? What are their three advantages and disadvantages? It can be three single transformer accomplished to three phase bank. Three and phase connect in phase transformer consists of three phase set I wrapped on core of a winding common core. Disadvantage: three single phase unit in service. Advantage: unit is by trouble replaced. Explain why the open transformer connection is limited to supplying 57.7% of a normal delta transformer bank's load. This one transformer is producing reactive power, which the power one is consuming. It is this exchange of energy between two transformers that limits the power up to output for 57.7% of the original bank's rating instead of the otherwise expected 66.7%. In alternative way to look at the rating of open delta connection is that 86.6% of the rating of the two remaining transformers can be used. Can 60 Hz transformer be operated on a 50 Hz system? What actions are necessary to enable this operation? Yes, one is protected winding insulation from breakdown due to voltage magnetization curve and magnetization current of transformer. What happens to transformer when it is first connected to a power line? It can be thing be done to mitigate this problem. The power supplied by the transformer's secondary circuit to its load is given by equation P out is equal to Vs Ts cos theta s. What is the potential transformer? How it is used? Transformer has high primary voltage and low secondary voltage. It has low power rating. Principal purpose of transformer is voltage sampling. PT, the potential transformer of several accuracy. What is the current transformer? How it is used? Current transformer CT sample the current in the line and reduce it to be measurable level. That the TC windings wrapped around a ferromagnetic ring with a single primary winding though center of ring. ACT difference from other transformer described in chapter. Its winding are closely coupled. A distribution transformer is rated at 18 kVA to 20,000 per 480 V and 60 Hz. Can this transformer safely supply 15 kVA to 415 k voltage load 50 Hz? Why or why not? Not solve it. Reduce voltage 110 to 2201 does not reduce in kVA. Describe transformer have not rating in kV Why does not wear a hum when standing near a large power transformer, and we can hear a audible hum in a transformer because electric current affect its internal structure and cause vibration. The busy tone this creates can be referred to as perceptible to the human ear. Thank you so much.